Hey, so if you're getting a Dropbox permission error on Windows, yeah, like you can't open files, save changes, or it keeps saying access denied, that can be really frustrating. In this complete guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, right-click the file or folder and check its permissions. I mean, your user account might not have full access. Next, yeah, make sure the file isn't open in another app. Sometimes Word or Excel locks it in the background. Now, restart Dropbox from the system tray. This refreshes file access and sync permissions. Yeah, try running Dropbox as administrator. This gives it full system access and often fixes permission issues. Now, check the Dropbox folder, Security Settings in Windows. Make sure your user has full control. Sometimes antivirus or firewall settings block file access. Yeah, try disabling them temporarily to test. Now, move the file out of Dropbox and then move it back in. I mean, this resets file permissions in many cases. Yeah, sign out of Dropbox and sign back in. This refreshes your account authentication and fixes permission glitches. If nothing works, reinstall Dropbox. This resets corrupted permission settings and sync configuration. So yeah, that's how you fix Dropbox permission errors on Windows. Most of the time, it's file locks, access settings, or sync issues. Try these steps and it should work again. Thanks for watching.